My name is Case Samuel. I'm a Chief Sales Officer at Sunrise Fresh. We're a fourth generation family farmer and a vertically integrated dried fruit processor. My dad is the founder with my grandfather. We are the largest manufacturer of unsweetened dried cherries in the US now. In 2018, we branched into bagging fruits, blueberries, apples, peaches, pears, and we're working on strawberries currently. That's where HighTek came in. The biggest thing for us is simplicity. Their baggers are so efficient, so quick, and there's not a lot to them. In today's labor market, it's really hard to find qualified personnel to run very complicated machinery, and we're able to teach a lot of our current staff to run these baggers efficiently and effectively. On the cherries, we were doing 10 bags a minute. Now we're doing 25 on 1-pounders. And my feeding mechanisms can't keep up with it. So that was a good problem to have. We used to have 12 to 15 people on our bagging machine prior to that. Now it's 5. So it's been very efficient for us in that end, but it allows us to be truly vertically integrated from A to Z, meaning that we control the fruit from the orchards, to the dry yard, to manufacturing, to bagging, to sales, to shipping. And we wouldn't be here without HighTek and the ability to do that. When it comes to the customer, I mean, Jason has always put us first. Like, hey, what can I do to help you guys? That's what Sunrise Fresh does. It's a direct line. I always tell everybody when I'm working with them, you can call any time of the day. And that's the same with HighTek. When I get into the nitty-gritty of things, I want to make sure when I call you, you answer. And when I need somebody, they're always here. And that's huge. And the training is awesome that HighTek provides. It's a good price. Service is everything. And HighTek has the best service by far. I mean that too, by the way. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I seriously do mean that, dude. You guys' service is awesome.